Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix when BakkesMod is crashing Rocket League and preventing Rocket League from opening. There's a few solutions to this, so just stick around and check if any of this will work for you. So first of all, what you want to try out is go ahead and open up BakkesMod. After that, you will see this injector, and you want to go ahead and click on File and Reinstall. So basically this will reinstall BakkesMod and that should fix the problem. After that, you may need to re-download some of the plugins you have already installed, but basically this probably will fix the problem. If that didn't fix the problem, what you want to do is go ahead, open up BakkesMod file location. So you click on the file itself, open file location, and then you will see BakkesMod exe file. You want to go ahead and open the properties, go to compatibility and run this program as administrator. Should be checked. Then you're going to click apply and OK. You'll want to do the same for the Rocket League. So for me, the Rocket League file, exe file, is on my Rocket League folder, binaries, then Win64. Then you're going to scroll down and you will see Rocket League exe. And you want to go ahead, click on properties. And on properties, you want to go to compatibility and run this program as administrator. After you have done both of these, that should fix the problem. At least this one worked for me. Now, another thing, if BakkesMod was working for you and it suddenly crashed your Rocket League, the issue could be that some plugin of BakkesMod was updated and causes the game to crash. So you want to go to bakkesplugins.com and check the latest updated plugins. If there's a plugin you are using, you want to go ahead and try to reinstall it and basically update it, and that also may fix your problem. Now, if the problem persists, you want to go ahead if you are on Windows, of course, you want to go ahead and search and open up Control Panel. On Control Panel, you want to go to Security and Maintenance. Just make sure that you are on large icons. On Security and Maintenance, you want to check Maintenance and then View Reliability History. And here you will see any crashes. So you want to go ahead and click on it. After that, you will see, for example, Rocket League. You want to go ahead and view problem reports. You will see view technical details right there, and you will see what was the problem. So now if we would click on Rocket League, you will see here fault module name AC plugin DLL. So you may want to delete this plugin from BakkesMod file folder location. So for example, let's go ahead and open up BakkesMod. I'm going to show you where to delete it. You're going to click File, then open BakkesMod folder. And from here, you will see plugins. And if this plugin caused the problem, you want to go ahead and delete it. And the last thing you want to try out is go to your documents, then go to My Games and Rocket League. It may be different for you. And then you want to go on TA game and you will see logs folder. So you will see all these launch log folders, backups, and so on and so forth. So if we would open up this launch folder, you can also check any problems related to that. And that's pretty much it, guys. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe, leave a like, and I will see you next time. Bye.